Amid the fourth session of the 14th Shandong Provincial People's Congress, and at this pivotal moment in the construction of a 1 trillion yuan city, Weifang in Shandong is charting a blueprint for development. This is Douglas, a virtual anchor for the Weifang Bohai International Communication Center. Looking back, Weifang has achieved impressive results. In 2025, the city's GDP saw a 5.5% year-on-year growth. During the 14th five-year plan period, its annual GDP has surged from around 600 billion yuan to over 850 billion yuan. As a major industrial city, Weifang's industrial output value of enterprises above designated size exceeded 1.2 trillion yuan in 2025. Advanced manufacturing and modern agriculture are improving side by side, forging a solid foundation for the city's future development.
省政府的这个工作报告啊，尤其是涉及到大力发展这个新质生产力这一块啊，然后报告当中着重强调了一定要加强创新，打造企业创新的主动力，营造更好的营商环境，促进企业发展。我们制造业实体呢，也是要做出一些调整，尤其是在技术创新和出口外销这一块加大力度。
Looking ahead, Weifang's future appears promising. Reinforcing the city's marine development, Weifang Port has launched construction on a 50,000 metric ton deep water channel. It is projected to save hinterland enterprises over 1.5 billion yuan in logistics costs every year. Meanwhile, Weifang will also continue its comprehensive development of rural vitalization. In 2026, the city aims to stabilize its annual grain sown area at over 686,667 hectares, with an output exceeding 4.5 billion kilograms. It will also develop new forms of rural collective economies and improve infrastructure related to roads, tap water, electricity, gas, and internet.
政府工作报告提出大力支持村富民产业的发展，乡村振兴、产业振兴是非常关键的，它能带动我们地方经济快速发展，真正的让村民钱袋子鼓起来，让村经济强起来。
From a solid industrial foundation and convenient logistics connecting the world to comprehensive rural vitalization, all these facets collectively contribute to a better Weifang. Marking the first year of the 15th five-year plan period, Weifang will work hard to write this new chapter of high-quality development in 2026. That's all for today's broadcast. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.